Hi everyone, Ashraf here from Ash English. How you doing? Lovely to have you here. Today I've got an interesting lesson for you guys. It's all about phrasal verbs, business English phrasal verbs. Now, phrasal verbs are one of the most frustrating things in English. Today, we are going to dive deep and practice 10 phrasal verbs. If you're ready, let's get started. Number 1. Shake up. Shake up. To make important changes in an organization. Alright, let's have some examples. The whole industry needs shaking up. Next example. He will shake up our department with his innovative ideas. Next example. The company is undergoing a radical shake-up. Next, a new managing director was brought in to shake up the company. Number 2. To bring about. The next phrasal verb is to bring about, which means make something happen. Examples. He brought about his company's collapse by his reckless spending. How can we bring about a change in attitudes? A huge amount of environmental damage has been brought about by the destruction of rainforests. Number 3. Burn out. The next phrasal verb is burn out, which means to become extremely tired or sick by working too hard over a period of time. Alright, let's take up some examples. He was almost burnt out by the time he was 21. Next, by the age of 25, he was completely burnt out and retired from the sport. Next, number 4, get ahead. The next phrasal verb is get ahead, which means to make progress further than others have done. Example sentence would be, she wants to get ahead in her career. Next, if you're willing to work hard, you will get ahead in this organization. Next, if you want to get ahead in politics, you have to look confident. Next, she soon found that it wasn't easy to get ahead in the movie business. Next, how do I get ahead? Next phrasal verb is run out, which means finish. Okay, let's have some examples. The printer ran out of ink. We ran out of paper. We've run out of toilet roll. I have to stop you there. We have run out of time. Time is running out. They ran out of money and had to abandon the project. Okay. Expire. Official documents expires. Example sentence would be, my contract runs out next July. My passport runs out next month. I must get it renewed. When does your passport run out? Next phrasal verb would be break down. Break down, which means to divide into parts to be analyzed. To divide. Examples. Can you break down our expenses by month and by region? The data breaks down into three main categories. The amount doesn't seem quite so bad when you break it down into monthly payments. The question can be broken down into two parts. Number 7. The next phrasal verb is sort out, which means to deal with somebody's or your own problems successfully. Let's take up a couple of examples. If you wait a moment, I'll sort it all out for you. I'll be glad to get this misunderstanding sorted out. This matter could be sorted out if they would just sit down and talk. Next phrasal verb is back up, which means to support somebody. I'll back you up if they don't believe you. Next, note down. Write something so that you don't forget it. Examples. Did you note down the main points? I noted down his phone number. I noted down the time and the place of the meeting. Next, number 10. Turn down. Turn down, which means to refuse an offer, request, or invitation. Okay, let's take up a couple of examples. Why did she turn down your invitation? He has been turned down for 10 jobs so far. They offered her the job, but she turned it down. How could you turn down such a fantastic job? I'm not going to turn down an invitation to go to New York. Alright guys, that's it for today from me. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please smash the subscribe button and tap the notification. Cheers guys.